Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at an electric scissor by Fanttik. This is the C10 Pro. So let's take a look. So inside you get the electric scissor, it comes with a storage pouch. You also have the USB-C charging cable, an extra blade, and then the tool to remove the blade. So briefly going over some specs. This has two speeds, 350 and then 600 RPM. It has a cutting depth of 10 millimeters and it has a battery capacity of 2000 milliamp hours. And it has a charging input of 5 volts, 2 amps. All right, so taking a look at the electric scissor, it's pretty light. It's not too big. It is angled, so holding it, and then when you're cutting it, it's easy to use with the angle. So taking a look at the top here, you have the display, you have the controls here, you have the safety button, and then you have the trigger here to engage the scissor. On the back, you have the USB-C charge port. So turning on the display, just press the M here, and then you'll see there's two modes as mentioned. There's Eco, and then if you press it again, it will put it to the max. So it's a difference of Eco being 350 RPMs, and then the max mode 600 RPMs. And then you have an arrow here for the direction. So you can go clockwise and counterclockwise. So if you need to reverse, if you're cutting something and it's stuck, you can reverse out of it. And then there's an arrow that will show you which direction it's going. So if you press it again, it's moving that way. Press it again, it's moving back. Then you have your battery indicator. It's showing 98%. So to change out the blade, it does come with that extra blade. Just use a tool to loosen this bolt, and then you can insert the new blade. The front also has a light, so when you're using the scissor, when you turn it on, it will light up. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on here. Just press the safety button here and then hold down the trigger. So there you go. You see it. And right now we're in the max mode. So if I press it again, it goes to Eco, and this is Eco. So a lot slower with the blade on Eco, and then going max, you can see it's a lot faster. And then switching the direction. Now this is reverse and forward. And you can see the light on. So let's go ahead and test it out and cut some cardboard. Okay, I have a box here, so we're just gonna test it out. Again, this can be used if you wanna break down some of your boxes, if you wanna cut down some of those plastic packaging, or even some cloth material. So let's go ahead and try it out on this box. This is just one layer, and I'm gonna leave it on the Eco mode. So that's on Eco mode. Had no problems going through that. And then you can see the thickness of the box. Now I'm going to put it on the max mode. And then let's see how it does here. Oh, definitely not a problem. It just cut through that with no issues. I'll go ahead and stack it up here. Leave it on the max mode. So this is 2 layers. No problem. So let's put 3 layers now. So no problems with 3 layers of the cardboard here. And again, that's on the max mode. Okay, so let's do it with the Eco mode with 3 layers of the cardboard. Let's see if you can handle that. So it was able to cut through it, a little bit slow, but no problems at all. So now I'm going to go back to the max mode. Let's just see if it can do the 4 layers here. So this is 4 layers of the cardboard. So 4 layers, no issues at all. Again, it has a depth of about 10 millimeters of cutting. So as long as it can fit through that opening, you should be able to cut whatever you need to. So definitely fast with the max mode, but the eco mode does very well, but a little bit slow going. So I'm going to compare it with the Ryobi electric scissor that I have. All right, so I do have a Ryobi electric scissor as well, so you can see the size difference here. The Fanttik is a little bit larger. As far as the speed, this is the Ryobi. So a little bit slower. It's more of like an eco mode compared to the Fanttik's max mode. So let's see how the Ryobi does. So it seems to struggle a little bit here. As you can see, it's not as smooth as the Fanttik. And then just to keep it fair here, I'll leave the Fanttik on the eco mode. So you saw the Ryobi, now this is the Fanttik. So it's about the same, but I like the angle on the Fanttik because it seems more direct on the cardboard. Now when I switch it to the max mode, I don't think there's going to be a comparison there. I think the Fanttik is going to do well. So definitely a lot quicker and just cuts through that with no issues. Okay, there you have it. That's a look at the Fanttik C10 Pro electric scissor. Very versatile with its 2 modes of Eco and Max. And as you saw in the demonstration, it was able to cut through the cardboard with no issue. Again, you can use this for breaking down your boxes. You can use it for certain fabrics and also opening up those tough to open plastic packaging. I've left a link in the description box below if you want to check it out.